Okay.
Okay, enjoy. That makes no sense. Is that a great cat to the counter or what? Is that a great cat into the counter or what? It didn't seem like a mascot. It didn't seem like a mascot of Chuck E. Cheese's. No, this is such a great cat. Chucky does have the. He's a rat for. Oh come on, play! Don't you dare fool around.
Oh no, they will see me like this.
How could this be? What did you eat there? I like how the accident. When is the game gonna load? You're gonna fool me again, like yesterday? Cause I hate it when the game has this hard time to load its work load itself out. Are you loading? Finally, Toxprosis. I don't have that. No, Siamese, get out of the screen. Don't ask me that again.
Oh no.
That's actually wide, for example. Hush, Jimmy. There's no need for it to slow down. I'm just claiming my rewards. Wow, it wants to feed Cellofish. Great, I'm going to another. Wow, you're super slow. You do not have to go into like this. This is actually white. Oh man, Ted's actually being chilled today. He's fine. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's actually wide. The Siamese is actually scratching up the floor. Everywhere. Doesn't it? That's how cats do. That's how cats be. Oh, there is 9,000 pieces. Are you? No. 9.
Okay, 1 billion push-ups. 1, 2, 3.
God. Are you kidding me? God. 9,000 push-ups. Are you serious? Whoa, just stand up like an actual cat now. It tried. It can't do that anymore.
Okay, 1 million push-ups. 1, 2, 3.
Caillou. Oh, that's not how it is. Okay. I would like 9,000 pieces. Are you kidding me? 9,000? Really? That's actually your fault. Come on. Reward it now, please. Come on. Man, sometimes it's stubborn now. I want to start a little slower. It would be nice.
I had 9,000.
Come on, 11 now, please. Or I'll slide it for you. No problem. You can act like whatever. Let's just wait for March 6 now. It wants to be stubborn. Just click on the dang level and jeez, how long it take? Just click on a dang level and start. I'm going to eat at Chuck E. Cheese. No, that makes no sense. That's only 1,000. Okay, fine. Here's the amount of pizza. God, you should not. This is like, he's the best. Now I consider him okay. PBS Kids character. Oh no. That is not That was just a big size amount of beast. Oh, come on. Oh, that was it. We really.
That's a 1,000.
That's wild. I'm sorry, but that's wide. Not actually. Plug size. Oh my god, this is not. This is actually why you stretch Caillou would just whiff. That makes no sense. Well, I don't know whose name is again, but I forgot. Since I forgot, I hope I should look back and then look at your name again, kitty.
Cookie.
Oh god.
Cookie.
I thought Barry's not singing,
Yes.
but yet, oh,
Cookie, cookie,
because his
cookie,
mouth
cookie,
sometimes
cookie,
doesn't.
cookie,
Oh, he's singing it.
cookie, cookie, cats, cookie,
My
cats,
parents.
cookie, cookie, cats, cookie, cats,
I know for sure. Enjoy your food. I love you.
Oh no. That's not it.
Caillou. Can't believe you got it. What we eat there. It's Caillou. Kitty.
Oh no.
It's over. No. I can't believe you. I already want to meet this cat so bad. Oh well. But I wish I could go on with not Smokey and the slow. Wait a minute. Treasure hunt. If that can give me an idea, it's been 3 days. It's just 3 days left until maybe the 13th. Pirates. Him with that look. The purple one. Alright, we don't have Smokey this time. Good. I'm not just gonna be in this level for sure. 14, 16, 18. I'm wondering if I'm up to this something. That gave me I'm glad I came up with that deal with this level. Just in 3 days. Yes.
Okay. 1 billion push-ups.
Yeah, Smokey. I mean, Barry. Wave. She's eating gum. I don't know if it's safe for my cat or not. They should eat it. I like how he gloomy. Oh, he loves bubblegum. You know better.
Oh no.
Morris one's loud. After you got wide again. That's wide anime. That's wide. I forgot your treats today. If Ziggy's gonna come or not, either. You are making this level long. Oh my god. He's making this expression on his face for that cat. Here you go. Feel good. I love this cat, you know. Really? Ziggy's gonna be here. I'm bringing him in. Alright. They got their treat. She's not nice. Oh, I didn't know I didn't know more comes back. I didn't know more. God, that's it. Oh, we're gonna see her.
Okay, 1 billion push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Caillou. I said get back outside right now, young man. That was good. That's wide.
That Caillou doesn't make no sense. Alright. Ew, why did she make a tiny noise? And that's all for her if she could sound like this. If she can really sound like this. Oh, Siggy. He did a little grunt. He like war. What a face. He waving. Oh no. But Barry didn't get any of his treats again.